I hate when you're just trying to sleep. Alright, so you're in bed, just laying down, trying to sleep. Then these stupid dogs next door just start barking and yipping and yipping. I mean, you have to sleep too. Don't sleep all day. Sleep all night. Why do you have to sleep in the day? Just sleep at night. Please sleep at night. Because we sleep at night and you sleep in the day. We don't sleep at day. What's wrong? Another thing that I hate about dogs is when you're just walking down the street, trying to get some exercise, walking down the street, and some person walking the dogs, they start barking at you and they start over. Just like come over and start attacking you. You're just like, oh, get away from me, dog. And they start like biting your foot. But the thing that I like about dogs is like when you go up to your dog and you're like, is he friendly? And he's like, oh yeah, he's really friendly. And like he pets you, he sniffs you. But I hate when they just come over to you and just start attacking. And I hate when if you own dogs and you take them on a walk, they don't find it first, but then they see another dog and they just have to go up to them and be like, oh my gosh, it's a dog! I never seen a dog before, but you have seen other dogs before, so just shut up. I mean, like, I'm a human. When I see other humans, I'll go over to them and be like, oh my gosh, it's so amazing! I've never seen a human before. So just like stop, okay? Okay, dogs. And also, if you own dogs and you're not home with them for like, I don't know, like a couple hours or something, like you went out to the movies with your friends and then you went out to dinner or something, and you come back and there's just crap and pee all over everything and everywhere. I mean, what's wrong with you dogs? Just hold it in until we get back. And most of the time my dogs are just like, oh, what, I didn't do it. But no, you did do it. Cause what, there's some like some housebreaker inner guy just come into our house and poop and pee everywhere. And also I hate when dogs, like, you're walking, like I said before, and they just won't leave the other dog. You're just like, okay, come on now, it's time to leave. You already stayed with him, you already played with him, and they just like keep on back like, no, I must stay. Well, you don't have to stay. So just stop, okay? Just stop. Just come with me and we can finish our walk and go home.